हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, स्वागत है आपका डॉक्टर सौरभ से क्लासेस में। और आज हम लोग सॉल्व कर रहे हैं ISI MTech PCB सॉल्यूशंस 2025 और इस सीरीज में हम लोग आ चुके हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 10B पे। तो चलिए सॉल्व कर लेते हैं। यहाँ पे दिया गया है वी आर बीइंग गिवन अ कोड, ओके। सो हियर it's in a loop that runs n times, correct? So C if print stderr, so it's operating. So here okay, and at the end it will be if print rr systems. Okay, so here what I define is that this means the number of times operating is printed for input n, and jn means the number of times systems is printed for input n. So here each iteration doubles twice, so each processes spawns 4 processes total in iteration. This gives a total growth factor of 4 per iteration. Okay, so here base case and recursive step if I write, then base case n is 0. Okay, so here it will be no loop, okay, and only one process, original one. Okay, so here operating not printed. Okay, so systems, so this 0. So recursive state is what? Recursive state is operating in and system jn if I consider. So here operating, so in, so every process prints operating once, then spawns 4 new processes. So the number of processes at the start of iteration k, pk is equal to 4 to the power k. So total number of operating prints in iteration k will be number of processes at p k minus 1. So that is 4 to the power k minus 1. So then total operating strings will be what? In is equals to k1 to n. So 4 to the power k minus 1. So 4 to the power n minus 1 by 3. So here what I am having as I1? In minus 1 plus 4 to the power n minus 1, and I0 is equals to 0. So here system jn will be systems is printed once per. Systems is printed once per process at the end. Okay, so here since the process count quadruples, so jn is 4 to the power n and j naught is 1. Also jn is 4, jn minus 1. So final it's I0 is 0, j0 is 1, in is jn is 4, jn minus 1. Okay, so here now the given parameters are being, so here what are the parameters? And value. Bandwidth. So here bxy will be 5000 bytes per sec. Then propagation delay pxy this. Okay, next bandwidth, so it's pyx, then 9500 bytes this. Okay, so here propagation delay for pyx, it will be again 40. So if you convert and write, then this is 0.1. Okay, and data packet, that will be 500 bytes, and ACK packet, that is 95. So what is the throughput formula? First of all, we'll write that. So the throughput formula is data size, and that is bytes by transmission time plus round trip plus ACK time. Okay, so that is, now I will calculate the transmission time or data packet. It is ST by BXY. So that is 500 by this. So that is 0.1 second. Okay, and then next we are having, so here forward propagation, that is what, 0.1 this, and what is reverse propagation, that is 0.04 this. So now my total propagation delay will be 0.1 plus 0.04, so that is 0.14 this. Okay, so now the transmission time, so T of ACK is S of A by B of YX. 0.01 seconds. Okay, so here the total will be here. So here the add will be 0.1 plus 0.1 plus 0.04 plus 0.01. So that's 0.25 seconds. So throughput will be ST by T of total. So that is 500 by 0.25. So that's this by, so throughput is this. So correct answer is this. Now we have a second part for this. We are being given the chart. So now compute window size and max throughput. So bandwidth delay product, BDP, bandwidth delay product. So sliding window achieves maximum throughput when window size in bytes is this, bandwidth multiplied by round trip time. Okay, so here for this calculation, RTT will be what? PXY plus PYX, that is 0.1 plus 0.04, so that is 0.14 this. So bandwidth BXY will be 5000 bytes for this. So BDP is what? Then my BDP is, so BDP is 5000 multiplied by 0.14, that is 700 bytes. Okay, so since one packet is 500 bytes, so to fully utilize the channel, PP 700, 2 packets, and maximum throughput, T max is the channel bandwidth, so BXY, so it's 5000 bytes per second. So window size 2 packets and T max is 5000 bytes. So then we can check whether max. So again, ACK transmission time and then new BTP. So TACK will be S of A by B Y of Z. So that's 95 by 125. So 0.76 seconds. Okay. So now RTT is what? PXY plus PYZ. So that is 0.1 plus 0.04. So that's 0.14 sec. Okay, so but now our ACK transmission time is 0.76. So hence new effective will be what? RTT, it will be 0.1 plus 0.04. So that is plus 0.76. So that is 0.96. So okay, now new BDP will be what? So new BDP will be BXY multiplied by RTT, that is this multiplied by 0.9, so that is 4500 bytes. Okay, so this is 4500 by this, so it's 9 packets. Okay, so to achieve 5000 bytes per second, window size must be VP, that is 9. So yes, node X can still achieve T max if new window size is 9 packets. Okay, and if window size is fixed below 9, throughout will drop. Best of luck, students. If you need further explanation or anything else, you can WhatsApp on the provided number.